I've got some really exciting updates. For those of you that follow me on Instagram and see my Instagram stories, then you're up to date in a certain way, I suppose. I tell you a lot about what's going on. You see my sort of day-to-day life, you see what I'm doing, you see the events I go to, and you see this that I'm in at the moment, and you are going to be seeing that. Over the past couple of months, things have started to move. I'm now doing sign language. No, I'm not, but it feels like quite an exciting time, and I'm, to be honest, a little bit overwhelmed with everything, but I'm excited to start sharing things with you. So I've got a few life updates. I've also got an update about this space that I'm in. My first update, not that interesting, but I am growing my hair out. Growing it out on the sides. I know so many people will be like, ugh. But I'm over it. I'm over the undercut. I'm over that real sort of skin fade. I'm too old for it. I want to go for a classic cut. I want something that's just sort of sits more against my style. Second update for you. Just today, actually on Instagram, I revealed that I am the new men's style and grooming columnist for the Evening Standard online. My third update for you, oh God, what was I gonna say? My third update, think on your feet, Robin. Prompt me. Okay, yes, my third update is that I am updating my website. No one probably cares, but yes I am. manforhimself.com has been around actually longer than the YouTube channel, and I love writing. I forgot how much I loved writing, and I love sort of pulling stuff together and researching, and there's gonna be more of that. It's gonna have a new look, a new feel, and so much more to it, which is cryptic, but yeah, you'll see soon. And my final update, which is probably the one that you're here for, is about this space. Now, this space is not done yet. This background is absolutely awful. I look like I'm doing a really budget school photo. That will be going, the echo in here will be gone. But this is my new space. This is my new space for, a couple of months, and I've been filming little updates. Here you go. It's so exciting. I'm moving into a studio / office today. I've been looking at places for a little while now. You guys know I kind of work from here. This is my flat, this is my home, this is also my office. And I'm at a point where I was like, we need to do something about this. I've got plans, I want to do stuff with the barbering. Yeah, so today's the first day. You're gonna see it. All of this. Look at that light. This is it, guys. This is it. Let me put my bag down and show you around. I'm thinking this will be like desk area, right here. And then here is huge. I'd like to have a barber chair and a mirror, and then an area to shoot in here. So I'm gonna spend the rest of the day just like measuring. Oh, fuck, I forgot my tape measure. I felt a bit overwhelmed yesterday, I think, once I came out of here. I was like, quite a lot to do, and I don't really know where I'm starting with this. I just don't really know what I need. I think the best thing to do probably is just to order like 1 or 2 things. I am feeling so overwhelmed. Yesterday I kind of just sat and was kind of like, what do I do now? Where do I get a desk? When do I start filming? So today I'm just trying to do bit by bit. If you guys have moved into a new office, or you've started a new job, or you've like moved house, then you'll know that sometimes everything just gets a bit much, like it's all going on in your head, and that's exactly where I am at the moment. So yeah, and this is my like procrastination of just not wanting to do it. I've literally just kind of been stood here for a bit, thinking, what do I do? What do I do? I'm gonna do like a backdrop screen that'll allow me to kind of mix stuff up in terms of color, and also especially for brand battle, which is coming back, I promise. This will be the kind of thing that I do, but I've just got lots of room here. So this whole area up here is literally just a shooting area. Right, that is it. Set up. These will all change. It's not quite right yet, but all a work in progress. I literally haven't been in this office for like a week. Well, we're moving in. I had a videographer, personal assistant, and steamer. probably not in his job description to be steaming, but that's all fine. I'm frazzled, but we are getting there, I think. 1 week and a bit coming in. I can do flat pack, let's just be clear. I can do flat pack, but I'm so up against it at the moment that I've got someone coming in. Someone who'll be far quicker than me and far more skilled. So I'm like, pay people for their skills. So he's coming in like in 5 minutes. I almost have an office / studio. Little storage boxes here for products. Desk. Won't be going there, but that's there. Yeah. And then that takes us up to right now, today. The day this video's gone live is the day I'm filming this. So this is how it is at the moment. So I've got my desk. Everything is such a mess. Do not judge me. My desk. I've got another desk. So this is where, you know, a lot of products will be kept. This is all a mess and probably not the best. I've got stuff over here, little Jimmy Choo skateboard, of course. And the next sort of steps for me are to get this area, this sort of studio area across here sorted. This is exciting. This is a really exciting time for me. I'm hoping that, you know, once I can get a barber chair in there, I want to be cutting. Like at the moment, guys, I'm crap. Like I've trained to become a barber, but do I have experience? Absolutely none at all. And I want to really up my game. I want to be bringing you fresh, new content that excites you. And it excites me, and it feels different from what other people are doing. So I hope we can do that. But thank you for sticking with me. This really is only possible because of you guys and for engaging with the stuff I'm doing and for enjoying it in the most part. So yes, thank you very much for watching. If you are new to my channel and you've literally been like, who is this guy with a shirt that's far too open, then please do press subscribe right now. The button will be just there, I think, yeah. Also, there's more video suggestions down there. There's a link to my blog, which, as I say, will be updated there. The podcast, the Instagram, which is where you get all my updates, up there. But I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.